sharded on. I need freaking heals, bro. Chat, I'm moving. Sarah be the fall guy? Wait, what do we mean? Blaming? No, y'all are goofballs. Y'all are goofballs. Yeah, I will say, Kayla, was it Kayla that tried to keep it alive? It was about to end, and Kayla gifted like 200 bits. Just too late. Like, chat did attempt to keep it alive, and then you guys came in and just started freaking chunking freaking subs. You just made bagels, you were getting shakes from the coffee? Getting them coffee shakes? Alright, chat. I still haven't gotten a win. I see shots. I think I do. When I thought I knew. Yeah, I thought I knew. Stay the same. 'Cause everything else will change. And we'll always be to blame. So please just stay the same. Where's this guy? There he is. Dude, why does everybody have like so much better ping than me? I cannot take floors. Not basic white girl, but you do love bagels. I don't think you have to be a basic white girl to like bagels. Bagels like the most like that's just like, oh yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think only basic white girls like bagels? I don't get that impression. You're a few seconds late because you were driving. That is completely respectable. Honorary member of the basic white girl club. Thank you for the subs. T. Sick. Blood egoed his wife. What do you mean? Bagels are like are a likable food by anyone, but especially basic white girls. What's next? His kids? Stop. Like, bruh. All right. Ooh, shots. The drop. I didn't give it enough. I'm on your phone. You gotta go back to work? Get back to work. All right. Cause I want it all. Okay. What's this guy Pickaxe swinging for? Did something go? This is the second guy to Pickaxe swing at me. Is there like a viral thing where like we aren't supposed to fight? Yo. Imagine. Okay, I'm gonna go fight this guy. Breakfast casserole? Mmm. I like a good breakfast casserole. Breakfast casserole makes me think about like church breakfast. Makes me think about church breakfast. Cause like I've never known anyone that makes breakfast casserole. Like none of my family members have ever made breakfast